Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you?
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited that you guys get to join me today, and we are doing a unit, okay, from the Nadula hair.
'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
One guys, Nadula came through and provided us with an orange ginger, okay, unit. This is a T-part wig with the fake scalp. We always love those. All right, and honestly, I'm already beat because of it. So this is what the unit looks like. You get that fake scalp action. I think it needs to be plucked a bit though, because it's not giving enough scalp, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. She has two combs in the front, okay? One in the back. I have this unit in 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. She is a body wave, and she's currently going for just under about $240 on nadulatb. So make sure you check them out, okay? I was right, nadulatb. I'm about to say I always call it whatever I want to, but it's nadulatb. So the unit feels really nice. The hair feels wonderful to the touch, especially for it to be this color. I always worry about whether or not it's going to be too fried or whatever the case may be. But I really expect for this to be an easy unit to get together. I did start curling her in the front. I might go through and finish that, to be quite honest. Let's throw on and see what she...
All right, guys, let's get on into this unit. So we have, again, an orange ginger colored unit. She's a T-part wig at 24 inches, and she is currently going for just under $235. This unit is absolutely positively stunning in person. The color is really, really beautiful. She is that nice ginger orange throughout. Okay, very sun-kissed. You know what I mean? If you're picking up what I'm putting down. The color of this unit is really, really fun. So I'm just going on through and just plucking that part a bit. Now, this is that fake scalp T-part wig, okay? So underneath here, there is no lace. There's just really a piece of cloth because it's meant to give you a real seamless install. Because of that, I'm going to wand curl or flexi rod my curls after I wand curl them, just to hold them as I go on through. I am going to shut my Mimi to a mouth, okay? So y'all can really get into this unit, and I'll see you on the other side.
let me tell you something. What do you guys think? So I went on through, got her together. I'm feeling like Kim Possible. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. That's how I'm feeling right now. Okay? But the ebony edition, because you know, we brown like this, not like that. Okay? So I'm really into this unit. Now, Dula Hair really came on through for us. And I'm like super excited for like a orange. Like I was nervous. Full disclosure, super nervous. I went through, curled her up because I figured she deserved some love, sex, and magic. Okay. Really a nice looking unit. She's really orange throughout. I walked around the mall in this one and got hella compliments from all the peoples. Okay. All the people like that and like that. Okay. So I'm really into this unit. Let me know what you guys think. This is like really, really, I feel like a big deal for us because she's given a lot of love, sex, and magic. A lot. So I really do like this unit though. The texture of the hair feels really, really nice. I was worried because sometimes when you get dyed hair, you get fried hair. And we didn't receive that this time around. So I went on through and just curled her up. And also because this is just a 5x5, I do kind of wish it went ear to ear. I love a little ear to ear lace when it's colored hair because y'all know how I feel about the blackity black hair sticking out. It's like a bikini line. That's personal. Your black hair sticking out, that's for you. That ain't for me. You understand? You picking up what I'm putting down? But she kind of is giving. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm about to go out there and save the world, okay? Where is my naked mole at? So, I genuinely don't know who Kim Possible is, but I feel like I'm channeling her right now. And if you are a middle millennial, you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So I'm really, really into this color. How do you feel like it looks up against my skin, guys? I know, you know, I'm a brown girl. Brown girls, colors. We can't do every color, and that's just my truth. I don't feel like I can do every color. Like, there's some colors that I'm a little bit like, that might wash me out. But this one, I'm surprised about. Let me turn around for you guys. And I think for the price point she provides, like she's really, really giving. And she is super easy to get together because she has that 5x5 lace. So you guys have to tell me what exactly you're thinking about this one. I really like her. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like I'm definitely going to wear her to work tomorrow. And that's my truth. I'm going to be in these meetings looking like Kim Possible. And I don't care how they feel. It's the holidays. 'Tis the season. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down. Let me know how you're feeling about this ginger orange hair on my skin. Because I'm kind of feeling her. I don't care what y'all... Honestly, tell me what you think, but I'm not sure I care. Bust down, subscribe to this channel, like this video, okay? Because every little bit counts. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.